SVR.
Thunderstorm warning for northern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Orwell to near West Farmington, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Are you dead?
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
Channel 1 Tony.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middlefield, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Orwell, Andover, Linesville, Harmonsburg, Adamsville, Pymatuning North, Pymatuning Central, Atlantic, Huntsburg, Hartscrub, Roaming Shores, Cherry Valley, Conneaut Lake, Jamestown, Rock Creek, Conneaut Lakeshore, and Geneva. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, and Trumbull, and Crawford, Pennsylvania.
What? Channel 1 Tony 2.
This is no weather.